In previous video, we get to know why we use variables, or should I say, power of variables. In this class, we will learn the input function of Python. As, as we know that print is an inbuilt function of Python, in the same manner, input is also an inbuilt function of Python. Today, we will discuss about the input function of Python. So, let's start. First, let me comment this line. So, first, I would like to say that here in input function, Python will ask user to give a input so that it can execute further. But Python will ask user after execution the program. So let me run this program and I'll show how it works. So here you can see that enter your name. That means Python asks user to give a name or we give a input. So let's give a input Tanvi. Then what will happen? Let's see. Enter. Nothing gonna happen because we just gave a input. We just give a input, or as we are user, so we are giving input. But nothing can happen because we are not given any command or any code for further execution. So now I'm going to uncomment this line and then let's see what happened. See, it again asking input from user. So let's give then enter. See, my name is Tanvi. So here we can say that Python is asking user for giving input, then it will execute further the program. So as we already know that name is a variable and it is of type string. So here if we don't mention the data type, it will also work. But as I said in previous video that we should give the data type because we are beginners. So let's okay. So this will again, it will work in the same manner and nothing gonna change. So here, when we ask a user to give an input, input is a inbuilt function, and within parentheses and within double quote, this is a this is this is a type of string because we have given in the form of string as in double quotes. So this is string. If we don't mention here the data type string, it will there is no issue. But as I said, we will use it. Okay. Then again, I'm going to take a variable named book. So in this is also of type string because we have given a value within double quotes. So this is a string type. So let's give str and let's uncomment this line. Let's see. So I'm going to execute the program. So it's again asking me because I'm a user. So it is asking me to give an input. So I am going to give an input. See. My name, I give a input, then it printed, my name is Tanvi. Tanvi reads Hindi books. So here we know we have written book two times, but there is a change. I'm not talking about this plural form of book that means S. I'm talking about this is without double quotes. That means Python can understand, oh, this is a variable. But in double quotes, it understands that it is a simple text. Here we also given a variable which is name, and here this book and this book are different because this book is without double quotes. That means it is a variable. Python will understand, and this is with double quote. That means it is a type of string, and this is for print as it is. So one more thing I want to say that this is a this is a hard code. This is a coded value because we are going to give this manually. That means if I want to change the if I want to change the value of this variable, I can change manually. Okay, and this is a pre-executive variable. But here the name, that means it is also a variable, but this is a variable that but this variable is used after execution of the program, and that's why it is called dynamic, and this is called static part. So here we can change the variable value, like if I change this with English, then what will happen? So let's check. See here again asking. So my name is Tanvi. Tanvi reads English books. So it can change manually because it is given manually, and this is hard code value. And but this is a dynamic part. So friends, this is enough for this video. In next video, we will discuss data type and data structure. So thank you very much.